Hello Internet, you're watching How and Why, and today we're going to see how to auto-number cells in Excel. I mean, this seems a pretty easy task to do, especially if you have a small amount of entries. You press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and you are done. But what if you have a huge amount of entries? Today we're going to see how to auto-number all these cells. For this example, I gathered all the movies from 2020 plus some movies in 2021, and the amount is 268 entries. I'm sure you don't want to number every cell from 1 to 268 by hand, so let's do it automatically. As you will see, it's pretty easy. You press 1, and then 2, and then 3, select them all, and then tap on the bottom right green box you see, click on it, do not release it, and drag it all the way down to the last entry. Then release your mouse and you will see that all cells are automatically numbered. 268. So this is pretty much it. This was that easy. And thank you for being here today. If you have any suggestions, please let me know down in the comment section. A subscribe to my channel would be amazing, and it helps me making more and better videos. See you next time. Bye bye for now.